There's nothing like this. It is 20 times more efficient than the previous soft lasers and can be used at home for the first time without special knowledge. The special ear attachment is suitable for the treatment of tinnitus and similar diseases of the inner ear, such as tinnitus-related hearing loss, pressure in the ear, dizziness, and sudden deafness. The nose attachment can help with colds or to prevent flu and hay fever. The surface attachment is ideal for large areas for wrinkles, scars, wounds, herpes, eczema, burns, strains, and many more. And the attachment for laser acupuncture opens up a large number of further treatment options.